Welcome to Regal Classes. This video is for Maharashtra Board students, Maths 1 Statistics, practice set number 6.2, which covers median, calculation of median for statistical data. Please subscribe this video so that we can give you intimation about our new videos, the next videos which we would be uploading, covering the whole syllabus. Median, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF into class width H divided by F. L is the lower class limit of the median class. N is the total number of observations. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is frequency of the median class. And H is the class width. So take practice set number. First problem. Frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and their yield of mangoes. Find the median of the data. So number of mangoes, number of trees. So here number of mangoes here, table, number of trees, the table. And you have to calculate first cumulative frequency, less than type. So you first number you write 33, second you add this 33 with 30, the next value, and write in front of that 63. Then 63 you add to 90, it becomes 153. Then 153 add to 80, 233. 233 to 17, 250. So 250 is the total. What does it mean? It means that there are 33 trees with less than 100 mangoes. There are 63 trees less than 150 mangoes, 153 trees less than 200 mangoes, 233 trees less than 250 mangoes, 250 trees less than 300 mangoes. So total n is 250. N by 2 is 125. So 125 is greater than 63 but less than 153. So we take it in that class 150 to 200 is the median class. Then it's the formula, very simple. You put L is 150, N number of observations 250, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So median class, which one we have taken? 150, 200. So preceding the median class, cumulative frequency is 63. Then frequency of the median class, that means it is 90 here. Median class is 150 to 200. So it is 90. So median is equal to 150 plus 125, which is n by 2, minus cumulative frequency 63 multiplied by class width, here it is 50, and divided by 90, which is the frequency of the median class. Just calculate and you have median number of mangoes is equal to 184. Very similar second problem. Just run through the problem and you can calculate median of number of hours 11.4. Just in the formula, and after that very simple. Here again another problem. Following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune expressway. Find the median of the data. So you have to convert into continuous class, and then because that is the formula is based on assumption that it is a continuous, this. Substitute in the formula, and there you are with median speed calculation. Fourth problem is on the bulbs. Electrical bulbs produced in thousands number of factories. Again, you have to calculate cumulative frequency. Total is 105 by 105 and by 2 is 52.5. So it lies in 50 to 60 is the median class. 67, it is above 47 but less than 67. Then write all the values in the formula. Lower class of the median is 50. Number of observations 105. Cumulative frequency of the class before that, before the median class 47. Frequency median class is 20. Class with 10. Just substitute all these in the equation, and then you have median as 52,750 bulbs because it is in thousands. So 52.75 thousand, it is 52,750. So there are 4 problems in this practice set. You should practice more problems. You can take more problems from NCERT book. You can download the book, and from the book you can solve. We also have a video on this. You can also look for that video. When you subscribe, you get intimation for these videos. We are also uploading videos from NCERT, so you will have double benefit of subscribing.